Hey guys, what's going on? Got to do another repair on the Sierra. What the issue is the dashboard's been acting up, and like the last while, sometimes she'll she'll work, and then all of a sudden she'll like be dead like this. And what it is apparently this is a known GM problem. It's a bad solder joint fix, where I guess the connection for the to power up the dashboard. And I know on this side, I apologize about the sun, I do have a couple of lights out, but lately it works and it doesn't work. And it actually just went on me again yesterday, getting furniture with a family member. And before that, before the last time it went bad, these 4 gauges were actually pinned in the middle. Usually I've seen online is the stepper motors go too. It's a no problem for GM. And usually what it'll do is it'll bury everything to like max, and like the car will be at 0, but it says you're going like 100 miles an hour. And anyway, mine doesn't do that. My cluster just goes out, and this won't light up, and this won't light up. And like the second to last time it went bad, I actually had like a Pac-Man symbol here. It looked like a little asterisk, and then it went away. From the research I did online was, as long as this doesn't say odometer or reading fail or something, I'm okay. I tried to track down another cluster, an emergency fix, because well, you can use a truck without the cluster, but I don't know, me being like, I guess OCD or whatever, I try to find another one. And the problem is, I don't know if you can see it, because it's a 6-liter, I have the temperature to the left for the transmission. On like the 5.3s and the 4.8s, I believe it's like 2 idiot lights, and it won't work on the lights won't work on this dashboard. I need this exact cluster. So what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna show you how to pull this cluster out. They said it's very easy. And what I'm gonna do is, I already paid for it. I paid for a repair service on eBay. You send them the cluster, it's like a 24-hour turnaround as soon as they get it. They replace all the stepper motors regardless. They recalibrate it. They test everything. They put in all new bulbs. And they send you back a working unit. And as long as it doesn't say odometer failing, their most case scenario, knock on wood, I should be okay. So I'm hoping I'm gonna package this up tonight. I'm gonna mail it out first thing tomorrow, and hopefully by Saturday it's gonna we'll be back, and we'll do another video to reinstall it. So okay, let's take this apart. They said it's supposed to be very simple, and I'm gonna show you it doesn't work. See, I start the truck. I apologize about the sun, and you get nothing. Apologize, you get nothing, and the truck's running. So, okay. Okay, let's. Alright. You get nothing, so okay. Okay. Alright, what they say to do is turn the key on auxiliary. What you're going to do is you're going to lower your steering wheel all the way to the lowest position, and you're going to put this in 1 to clear the cluster. So let me reset this up so you can see. Okay, hopefully this comes out. What you got to do is lower this steering wheel all the way to the bottom, auxiliary, drop it all the way to 1. I got my foot on the brake, and it says it's a 7mm. There's 4 bolts, 1, 1, 1, 1 to take it out. I use my handy dandy Harbor Freight Pittsburgh trim removal kit. They said you could pop it out with your fingers, but just in case. Nothing wants to cooperate today. Okay. This side's already out. These are just held on by clips, so it should just pop off. I've actually had this on before. See my other videos, I replaced the headlight switch and the fog light switch. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a little tight. There you go. It's a little tight by the dashboard over here. Okay. And it is. It's 4mm bolts. I should be able to. Yeah, I should be able to. I should be able to take this off. I just put the the shifter back up just to take this out. So I gotta hook up package this up now, just to get package it up nice, write up a slip, invoice number, say what's wrong with it. Don't drop the bolts on the dashboard. My fingers are small, and this is even tight. See, there's one bolt there, one bolt right there, one bolt straight ahead, and one right there with the wire is. So let me take these bolts out real quick, and I'll show you how to pull it. I apologize about the sun. Alright, I got all 4 bolts removed. I used a 7mm deep socket, and I guess that's a 3-inch extension. For the top bolts, get a longer one, because my fingers are tiny, and they're still a pain in the butt. So, okay, let's see how we pull this out now. So, I have to use my hat. I apologize about the sun. Let's see. Now they said it just pulls out. It does. Pulls out. So there's the ear on the way. Okay. And there's 2 tabs underneath. I don't know if you can see it. There's 2 clips behind here. Squeeze them, and we're supposed to. Oh, okay, I see. Alright, plug does pop out. The gray side, it does pop out. It's a little tight. It's a pain in the butt, but it does pop out. And this removes our cluster, and that's the whole cluster. And that's the whole cluster. It pops right out. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I apologize about the sun. Well, like I said, I'm going to box this up. I'm going to mail this out. It says a 24-hour turnaround since they get it. So hopefully by Saturday, I will have this back. And I will make part 2. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Trying to at least get 200 subscribers. If we get 200 subscribers, I'll do another small giveaway. Thank you guys. Enjoy your Easter. Today's Easter Sunday. Holidays never take, auto repairs never take a rest, even on holidays. All right, enjoy your Easter, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.